Hi, this is a product review on this weather stripping. As you can tell, ours is very old and really in need of replacement. So we got this weather stripping and we're really pleased with how simply it was to install, how simply it is to cut. Here you can see us installing it and it just pops right in, and we had an entire door done within just a couple minutes. We ended up getting 60 feet of this weather stripping to do 2 doors, and we definitely got too much. So it's nice that we have some on hand, but we have way too much. So if you're looking to do 2 doors, I would even consider doing the 40 foot, but that's up to you and the measurements of your doors. But it was so simple to install this, and we closed the door and saw no light, which is definitely new for us. So we are super glad and excited to have this during the summer to keep the cool air in.